The offering purchase requires the interaction between a consumer and a provider. And both of them need to interact with the wallet desktop. After a consumer searches for a specific offering, he needs to click on Buy Offering button to initiate the purchase process. A new page is displayed with the parameters needed for the proposal. With parameters filled, the consumer can create a proposal by clicking on Submit button. When clicked, a new key pair of public and private keys is generated and stored in consumer's wallet. This key pair is specific to this purchase process and allows to represent the user identity in and ensure the security and integrity of the exchange process. And the proposal is sent to the provider as notification. By clicking on the bell icon, the provider can access to his notifications and see there is a new pending proposal. When clicked on the notification, the proposal is displayed and the provider is able to reject or accept it. By clicking on the Reject button, the provider will send a notification to the consumer with the refuse message. By clicking on the Accept button, a new key pair is generated and stored in provider's wallet. Then, the provider adds the ledger signer address to the proposal and signs it. The proposal is sent back to the consumer as a notification. The consumer receives a notification about the accepted proposal. By clicking on it, the consumer validates the provider's signature, signs the proposal and can save a copy in his wallet. The proposal is sent back to the provider as a notification. The provider receives a new notification with a signed proposal. By clicking on it, the provider validates the consumer's signature and save a copy of the proposal in his wallet. Then, the provider creates the agreement, signs the transaction and deploy it on the blockchain. After agreement deployed, both consumer and provider receives notifications about the creation of the new agreement.